Yes, hello, my people, brothers and sisters. Thanks again. Today, again, we are here trying to show you exactly how they cut and they trim the trees around. As you can see, the track around there, it shreds the tree when it's cut, and as you can see, the logs of trees down, logs down there, and you can see someone is up is going to keep cutting the tree from there. That is how they trim trees around here in the US. Okay. Um, the truck over there, it does a job. See that? See over there, and the truck lifts you up, and the tree is trimmed from that side. And this truck shreds. It has a machine which shreds at the back, right? The machine shreds from the back, as you can see. They're all machines to shred from the back. Right over there, the logs are down. Right over there, you see how the machine makes noise over there cutting the tree. See over that? You have to be a bit technical when you're cutting the trees. As you can see over there. You have to tie it and fix it up. Right, you see? Right over there, you see that one falling. All right. See over that? Like that. Without destroying any wires, without anything. You can see over that. That one has been cut and it's going to be pulled down slowly without destroying anything. That's a good enough for that. Thank you. Look at that. Tree removal as always, as you can see. Look at that. This shreds the trees. They put up everything there and then they shred the tree. Just like that. And then they have this in order to help in lifting up heavy logs like those ones, as you can see over there. Look at the logs. And the trailer to carry the logs is right over there. That's a small trailer. It will lift all these logs, as you can see over there. And then, as you can see, somebody is still cutting the tree over there. Hear that? Look at that. Without damaging any cables, it's cut carefully and well, as you can see over that. See that? Professionally. And this one will shred the tree like that. I think when they're shredding, I will be able to give you a good view of how they shred it, the trees. They're still cutting it all up to down. As you can see, the whole log is coming down. The tree had grown up so big. So in order to not for it to damage somebody's compound or a house, they had to try to reduce it and cut it down. Right over there. just like that. Thanks, sir.
Okay, have a
All
good
right,
one.
thank you.
Take care.
Bye.